Do you want to know how you can archive all of your previous chats or prompts on ChatGPT? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can archive all of your previous chats or prompts on ChatGPT. You can see that you have already logged in, so go ahead and open ChatGPT, log into your account, and you can see your previous chats over here. To archive the chats, all you need to do is click on this, but you don't want to be doing all of this. You want to save some time. So to do that, what you need to do is click on your profile, which is over here, go to settings, and you can see archive all chats option. If you click on archive all and then click confirm archive, you can notice that all of your archive will successfully be on your settings. So if you reload the page, you can notice that your archive will be gone, and then you can check your archive once again by going to the settings. So go ahead and click on your profile, go to settings, and you can see archive chats. Go ahead and click manage, and you can see some of your archive chats in this page. You can click on this, and then you can see that your archived conversation will be unarchived and it will move to here. So this was a video on how you can archive all of your previous chats on ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.